what's up guys? In today's video I am gonna be showing you guys how to use the new satchel in Roblox Rivals. Alright, so this weapon just recently came out over here, and yeah, I've used it a little bit. It's already level 5. I know the best way to use it, and I'm gonna show you guys right now. Alright guys, you didn't get the map I wanted, but you can still use it in some way. Let's just drag him over here. Let's just drag him over here. Can we get him over here? What the? Okay, and then you use daggers to basically finish them off. Daggers are so underrated, guys. People like to treat daggers like they're absolute trash. They're actually very good. Look at that. Look at that. Already 60? Even Slingshot can't beat that. And I showed that the Slingshot is a very good weapon to use, but it still cannot beat the daggers. Now, you can make it as a trap, but I'd rather just do it like this. Yo, he's so... Bro. Yo! Let's go! You see how overpowered this is, guys? You see that? That's so OP! And you can use katana to deflect it. So deflect's supposed to be like... Really? Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm dead. Alright. Something weird started popping up on my screen, guys. Oh my gosh, this guy's so cool. Oh my gosh! Slingshot's annoying, bro. Bro, I am Ninja Mark. Look at that. Balls, bro. Oh, this... Yo. Bro, this guy has terrible aim, bro. What is he doing? It's about to be a 5-0. I hope you know about that. I just missed all of them. If this guy makes a comeback, bro. Oh? Yeah, you're dead. Yeah, you're dead. You're dead, buddy. You're dead. Let's go. But the correct map we need is docks or station. Any one of these big maps, not the small one like arena. So let's try and get that in the next match. Alright guys, we have another attempt, but in state. I mean, that works, I guess. I have a strategy. So look guys, let me just get up here. We're gonna explode him as soon as I see him walk through that door. And it doesn't matter if he walks through there, then he'll just get exploded anyway. They're too blind to see the traps. There is no way you're not checking the houses. What is up with people are not checking these like random... I literally was in that house the whole entire time. What is my man's doing? What? Oh, he's on a 5-1 streak. Well, let me show you what a trap is. Alright, I'm about to trap this guy, bro. Did he shoot my trap? I'm pretty sure he shot me. Yeah, buddy, how do you like that? I'm dead. Yep. The one shot, when I hit them straight in the body, the bow doesn't want to react. But when I hit them absolutely nowhere, the bow reacts. What? Come in, bro. I know you're dead. Oh, you got exploded. If I had one more trap right there, you would have been so cooked. dead. He doesn't know them strats like I do. Uh-oh, I think he saw me. Uh-oh! Yo, how did I not hit? Yo, hold up, bro. This guy is, like, weird, bro. Like, my bow sometimes hits him, and sometimes it doesn't. It's so weird, and he keeps coming to me with a stupid shorty. Get away! I don't like you! Yeah, take that! Take that! Yeah! That's why you're dead. You don't come up to me and go bang bang in my face, alright? I don't allow that. Alright, let's just troll him a little bit. Never mind, let's just get back to normal camping. We cannot troll him though. Okay, maybe we can. Hold up. What? He's not even a mobile controller. Yo, this guy is sus, bro. This guy is very sus. Let's see. Can he hit a headshot? Yeah! And you can also use it as movement like this. Oh, what if we did the triple jump with that? Oh, that would be so good. Yo, let's try that. Let's try that. Hold on. It's 4-4 right now. And I do not want to lose. What the heck? Yes! Come on. Headshot me. Come on. One time I need you to headshot me now. Oh, not now. Yes! I knew he would headshot me. I knew it. This guy's too sus, bro. Alright, let's do one more match, and I'm going to show you guys movement with this. Alright, guys, now here's the movement part. You want to throw this? Cool. Look at that movement! We're already out of sight, and he doesn't even know what to do. Look at that. That's so OP. Alright, all you got to do, guys, if you want to know, you got to just throw it and instantly right-click. Like, do that. Look, he doesn't even know what to do. He's so lost. He's literally so lost. Yo, I need that. Look how OP that is. You just go flying around the map, and imagine bow and daggers, bro. You would literally circle arena. You would literally circle arena. Well, that time it didn't work, but I swear every time I do this, it works. And nobody has yet discovered this. And I'm the first one to discover this type of movement. So make sure you guys like and subscribe to us, because I'm showing you the greatest movement you've ever seen in your entire lives, alright? Let's try this again. Oh, I got headshot sniped. Mobile players, bro. I hate them. What if we do katana? We just do katana? Alright. Just do katana. Oh, bro. What? Yo, that is the biggest, like... Yo, that is such a big troll. I throw it right on the ramp and it doesn't work. Alright, but anyways, let's try it. Look at that movement! And katana, bro. This is why I use katana. It's always for the mobile players, bro. Mobile players are everywhere, bro. No PC players. Sometimes it works. Not when I get hit by that. That is very annoying. Go ahead. Wait, what? I got a skin case! Wait! Yo, I got a skin case! Wait. Anyways, we'll open that later, but if you guys learn how to use the satchel, like, in a way that is very good, learning from my video today, then you just gotta like and subscribe. Alright, that's all I ask you guys. I show you guys the craziest movement, the best capping, and yeah, for that I just want to like and subscribe. Alright, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I'm Mark and I'm out. Wait, one sec, I'm gonna open this skip case before I'm out. Alright guys, let's see what we get. Please be something good. The snow blower. Alright, let's slap that on. Hold on, where's my flamethrower? Alright, let's slap that on. I don't even know how I got it, but who cares? We got it. Anyways, guys, I'm Mark and I'm out. Peace.